Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, any wet snow very late tonight into the pre-dawn hours would be A, minimal, and B, essentially confined to the higher elevations, especially in northwest Rhode Island. In the meantime, we're just cloudy, cool, and dry. The clouds are rolling in, temperatures in the 40s. We'll stay dry this evening. You're running some errands now through at least 9, 10 o'clock, essentially dry. Once we get towards 11 o'clock midnight, the rain starts to work in. Temperatures now in the middle 40s. Newport cooler at 42, Providence 44, and Taunton at 47. So it's not terribly cold, but overnight tonight, conditions with the dropping temperatures and some of the higher elevations being a little colder right up in here. Some wet snow for about a 2 to 3 hour period. So a coastal storm during the overnight hours and extending into early on Wednesday morning. We'll start the day very early with some rain and a little wet snow, but this is a fast mover with rapid improvement. In fact, we are clearing by 10 a.m. and it sets up for a sunny, dry, and milder afternoon. Next chance for precipitation arriving on Friday, but probably towards late day and early evening. Unfortunately, much cooler on Friday before things start to warm up a little bit by the weekend. So you see the shield of clouds streaming in, but the rain is still to our south, intensifying coastal storm now off Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. Rain, wind, and thunder out ahead of it. This will track north and east overnight. Early tomorrow morning, a fast mover. It is pulling away by mid to late morning. In fact, let's take it into the future right now. Watch the time bar. You see the shield of rain approaching around 11 o'clock and midnight. The storm still to our south, intensifying as it tracks north and east. Now, on the back side of it, pre-dawn hours, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, a little wet snow mixing in, but watch how fast it pulls away, developing sunshine by mid to late morning, and this will extend through the afternoon. I mean, only in southern New England, places like Foster may actually have some wet snow at 6 o'clock in the morning, only to have sunshine and near 60 by the afternoon hours. That's the kind of rapid improvement that we're talking about. As far as snowfall, I'm really not concerned about anything super serious here, but the high elevations, especially, in fact, let's use Route 295 as a reference point. North and west of 295 and some of the higher elevations shaded in light blue, anywhere from a coating to an inch of snow. Outside of that, right in here, this little gray area, perhaps a thin coating. This is car tops, patio decks, shrubs. More than likely the roads just stay wet. And if we do get an inch of snow, say in Foster, you want to talk about a fast disappearing act. By noontime, it's gone, it's melting. So for this evening, increasing clouds, the rain arriving around 11 o'clock midnight, temperatures in the lower 40s. Some rain and a little bit of wet snow in the high elevations very early, clearing by 10 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures starting in the upper 30s to low 40s. Little hint of spring tomorrow afternoon. The only downside, it'll be very windy during the afternoon, but dry and sunny with temperatures in the lower 60s, so not bad. A good finish here. 7-day forecast, partly sunny skies on Thursday, cool at 52. Next system arriving on Friday, but it looks chilly, unfortunately, with rain showers late day and early evening, only 45. But the trade-off, look at the weekend. Some clearing on Saturday morning, becoming partly sunny, 63. Sunshine on Sunday, nice, mild with a high temperature of 62. The nights are in the 30s and 40s. Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, that area, North Situate, late at night, early in the morning. A little wet snow. I think it's more of a curiosity than a real concern, but a thin coating is possible.
One of our viewers on Facebook Live last night made the joke, no school, Foster, Gloucester. Not enough snow for that, but...
do your homework.
All right. Jody, thanks.